So me and John are riding together. Time right now is around 6:45. I believe we'll be reaching there by 8:45, 9 o'clock. By the way, I'm about to complete my 5,000 kilometers, so once I come back it will be a service time for Neo, and most probably I'll post a review, 5,000 kilometers ownership review, if you would like to have. John is here. Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is 10th Jan 2022. Today we are riding to Kerala in Tamil Nadu. Wondering what is it? Okay, so it's called the Kutti Kerala. The place name is Poolampatti, situated nearby Edapadi. One of my friends suggested this place. We were like, okay, let's try this. We are going to travel through Annur, Satyamangalam. From there we're going to take a right, and it goes on another route and joins the place, joins the destination. Coming back, we'll get back on the highways, the bypass, Salem bypass. And this is Annur. Okay. Alright, we have reached Satyamangalam, and from here we take the right. If you take the left, it takes to Banariamman temple, and further it takes to Satyamangalam forest and then Mysore, and goes on. Alright, we are done with our break. We just had a cup of coffee. We might stop as well to finish our breakfast. Let's see if we find a good place. Well, after crossing Satyamangalam, the roads are quite narrow, however, it's beautiful. Alright, we are done with our breakfast. We are leaving from here now. The place is around 28 kilometers from here, so it would take around 40 to 45 minutes for us to reach. If you're planning to visit this Poolampatti place, I would recommend you take this route one way, like either going or while coming back. It's a nice, calm, good. I mean, this is a weekday, so definitely that's why the road looks a little busy. However, if you travel by weekend, I think you'll see only half of the crowd which you see now. I mean, on both sides there's paddy fields, and you see the trees, wow, covering the road. It's too good. almost reaching our destination. I need to take a right, and there's a bridge, so I'm not sure where it is. Let's see. Okay, this is Poolampatti. I'm not sure. Okay, this takes us to Edapadi and Salem. This is Kaveri River. So officially we are entering Salem now. Where is John and his John? He's mesmerized with the Kaveri River. Okay, we are in Poolampatti now. Wow. This is Edapadi Aya's house. I really don't know where this road takes, but still I thought I should take it. Just felt it. Wow. Why don't you give a visit? Worth it. Okay, so this is the location we wanted to check. So looks like this is Salem, and the shore which you see on the other side belongs to Erode district, and I'm standing at Salem district. There's both services available, but again we've been asked to wait. So only once it's full they'll be leaving to the other location, and same goes on the other side. So we don't want to waste time here because it's too hot and it's the bike temperature has gone up to 46 degrees Celsius. That's the highest ever I have noticed. It doesn't goes above 39, 40. Now it's 40. Apparently for Metu Dam we don't have to go to the main road again. This route itself takes us to the dam directly. around 19 kilometers for us. Hardly takes around 20 to 30 minutes. We thought, okay, why not? Okay, we just stopped for a picture. The place itself is so beautiful, you can't resist from stopping every now and then. This is tender coconut brick. So said we were like dehydrated. We have almost reached the Metu Dam, and that's the Metu Dam. Closed, bro. Closed it. Okay, this is the Metu Dam. Unfortunately, it's closed. Man, this is really huge. Okay, we're done with the break. From here we are going to Salem, and from there we take the bypass and reach home. In between we'll have a lunch. Alright, so what we did is we came from the interlink roads, reached Bhavani and crossed, and we are at the Salem bypass junction now. It has become really hot now. I can't really tell you how much I'm sweating inside. I'll finish the vlog here. I think it's going to be too lengthy now. I hope you like this video. If you like, please do share and subscribe. Don't forget to do that. Share with your friends as well. Thank you everyone. See you on the next one. Bye bye.